Hey everyone! Today, we're learning 5 words that'll make you sound super smart, but don't worry, they're actually pretty easy to use. No need to sound like you swallowed a dictionary. 1. Oh, never mind. This is usually said when you were about to ask for something, but then you decide it's not worth the trouble. But sarcastically, it can be used to express major annoyance in a fake sweet way. Imagine you ask your friend to pass you the ketchup, and they reach for it, then stop and say, "Oh, never mind. Don't worry about it. I guess I can just eat my fries dry." The over-the-top politeness is a way of highlighting their frustration without outright saying they're mad. 2. Come again, please. This is a polite way to ask someone to repeat something you didn't hear clearly, but sarcastically, it can be used to imply someone said something so ridiculous or confusing it deserves to be questioned. Imagine someone sharing a theory that the Earth is flat. You might raise an eyebrow and say, "Come again, please? Did you just say the Earth is flat?" The sarcastic repetition highlights how unbelievable you find their statement. 3. My apology. This is a fancy way of saying sorry, but dipped in sarcasm. It's like saying sorry, not sorry, with a layer of fake politeness on top. Imagine you accidentally bump into someone and spill their coffee all over them. You might blurt out, "My sincerest apologies," in a tone that's both exaggerated and insincere. The over-the-top formality makes light of the situation in a way that probably won't do much to mend fences. 4. You are an angel. This is a way to thank someone for being incredibly helpful, but sarcastically, it can be used to express disbelief that someone would actually be helpful. Imagine a stranger helps you change a flat tire. You might say, "Wow, you are an angel. Are you sure you're not some kind of magical helper sent from the heavens?" The sarcasm highlights your surprise at their unexpected kindness. 5. Pleased to meet you. This is a formal way of greeting someone for the first time. But sarcastically, it can be used to express the opposite of pleasure. Imagine you bump into your annoying neighbor at the grocery store. You might grit your teeth and say, well, pleased to meet you," in a tone that drips with sarcasm. The forced politeness mocks the idea that you're actually happy to see them. So there you have it, 5 new words to add some flavor to your conversations. Remember, using new vocabulary is a fun way to learn and express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, but don't get too cumbersome with it. Hit that like button, sub.